Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear turn signal bulb on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new 3157 bulb, which is a common type for these vehicles. Also, make sure you have a T25 Torx bit and a ratchet. Before starting, always ensure your truck is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Now let's access the bulb. Begin by opening your Dodge Ram's tailgate fully. Next, locate the two screws on the inside edge of the tail light assembly facing the truck bed. Use your T25 Torx bit and ratchet to carefully remove these two screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It's held by two plastic snap post retainers, so a firm, steady pull will release it. With the tail light assembly free, you can now replace the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb socket by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, rotate the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 3157 bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's securely seated. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Carefully align the tail light assembly with the two snap post retainers on the truck's body and push it forward until it clicks securely. Reinstall the two T25 Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, test your new turn signal bulb to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.